So here we go, first attempt at a video. I am John, go by JP, and I am just starting up this channel, Max Tr3 Revival. I'm trying to resurrect, bring back to life a 1958 Triumph Tr3A, which my father-in-law bought new in '58. I'm basically down to the frame, and if I can flip around here, which I don't think I can now, I was going to show you the car in the current state. So let's see if we can't do this. The car is currently sitting right here, and it's had the floors done, the seals done, and now I'm working on the frame, which you can see underneath this box, and I am also working on the suspension, which is down below. So that's where I am. Hopefully I can get better at videoing, and follow along, subscribe if you'd like.